Hi, I'm Rachna Patni, founder of Akshat Arts. My business name is Akshat because my younger son name is Akshat, and Akshat means something that's non-destructive, जिसका कुछ खनन नहीं होता. Akshat means चावल, और चावल का वापस दूसरा जन्म नहीं होता, दूसरा रूप नहीं होता. So we named it as Akshat. I'm into मूर्तिज, and मूर्तिज का वापस हम उसका दूसरा रूप नहीं ला सकते हैं. So I started this business in the name of Akshat, and we are creating resin articles, that's resin frames, resin tables, and resin wall decoratives. And I started this business after 24 years of my marriage, as I was free from my kids. I had less responsibility of them, and I wanted that my younger son should also join my business. I am only doing the domestic business, and I want that when he enters the business, it should start into international level. So I started this business. Akshat, as it is Akshat Arts, it's a complete creativity field. We create products that are art pieces and handcrafted. It's divided into two streams, in which one we are making murtis and statues, and in other we are making resin products. One we are making murtis, we are creating marble dust murtis or marble cultured murtis. Marble dust is a powder, that's the marble powder, and we call it marble dust because we create it with the chemical. It's mixed into a different kind of resin. Even this marble dust murtis are resin murtis, but they are mixed, the powder is mixed with resin. So, and this is created into molds. We cast it into molds, and then once the piece is taken out from the mold, the same procedure of the marble murti is done. But these murtis are more durable than the original marble murtis. They are not breakable, and if by chance if any piece gets broken also, we can fix it up. These can be taken out into different colors, like same as in marble, we can take out black marble murtis, we can take out white marble murtis, even ivory colors or green shades can be taken out. The other part is resin, where we are creating all interior items like tabletops, the dining tables, center tables, coffee tables. We are creating frames, mantra frames, that gives a devotional look to your wall. And we are creating wall arts, clocks, and art pieces for any space. And our logo is, we create something that makes home a home. So as this logo suggests, we are into creation of art pieces. I was always passionate about art and creativity, so I wanted to start something which is full of art, and I was always passionate about art. And after 24 years of my marriage, I started this business as my kids had grown up and I did not have much of their responsibility. So the biggest challenge in the first year was, the first thing was finding the labor, because specialized labor is needed. You cannot keep anyone who's just having a little knowledge about working or anything. It's like a specialized labor is needed for this work, for casting, for mold making, then for creation, for filing, everything. Perfect labor was needed. So it was the biggest challenge. Then finding out customers, then satisfying customers, and marketing was one of the challenge in the first year. The first product in Murti line was Lord Ganesha. We wanted to start it with Ganesh Murti, so we started with it. And the first product in the resin, we created mantra frames. That was for my own house. My parents-in-law had their 50th anniversary and we had celebrated it. So for distribution to all the guests, we made some 100 mantra frames, and through that I got a big experience, the struggles of making it, the 100 pieces, and that was my first order, and that was the first product I created. This is a spice table we have created, and we have put 5 spices in this. We also created a table which had 32 spices. From this you can just see that we can preserve anything which is in dry form. You must have seen the flower tables, the flower preservations, the Varmala preservations. These days it's very happening thing. So according to that only we have created this spice table, and in this we can create dining tables also. We can create this is a casting table. Actually it's all chemical, and in the chemical we have preserved this. Resin is a chemical which can preserve anything which is in dry, from any pictures, any sort of natural items also that are dried, and they can be preserved into this. So this is a table where we have put wood particles also. We have wood blocks, and with those wood blocks we have put these spices. So, and you can also create bar tables, like miniatures can be put in the bar table, and it's a casting table, and a casting table can be created, and that looks beautiful. Anything that you want, like toys of your kids, like the cars or anything, you can put them into resin, and they can be preserved for and nothing will happen to this for years and years. It's, if it once it's preserved, it's just it will remain in the same shape and size. Nothing will happen to it. And these are the tables which are made in MDF. Like we have used a base as MDF and just put resin coating in this. So these are the coating tables. Coating tables are comparatively less in prices than the casting table. Casting table is something very unique. So people who are just wanting to do something very creative and very unique should think for all these things. And otherwise coating tables looks beautiful. Coating tables can also be done. It can give you marble textures. We can use any kind of printing in this, or we can also create paintings. The paintings can be preserved in these tables. My first breakthrough moment was when I got the order from the High Court, and that was through the word of mouth. I was not working for any of the government companies, but they got to know that we are into creation of statues. So I got the order to make a camel. They were having their conference in Jaisalmer, and it was the whole India conference where Supreme Court judges and the High Court judges were coming. They had a very short time, a 1 week's time, in which they had just given me a picture of a camel, and they wanted to make 200 pieces of the camel. So that was the biggest challenge, but we took that challenge anyhow, and our labor also supported us. They worked day and night, and we created 200 pieces for them in a week's time. And I think I'll show the piece also here. This was the piece that we created for them. They had just given a picture of a white camel, and we created with studded with stones and complete golden jewelry. So this was the piece, and I'm still fascinated with this piece, and even they liked it too much.